Good morning friends, today we will talk about the topic galvanic cell. It's also called electrochemical cell or the voltaic cell. It was discovered by Luigi Galvanic and Alessandro Volta. That is why its name is galvanic cell or the voltaic cell. It is used.
Start.
So it is used in the calculator, watches, mobile phones, etc. Also, now its definition. The definition of the electrochemical cell is the cell that converts chemical energy into the electrical energy. Now let's look upon its apparatus. Cells, half cells. These are in which there is placed a electrode in both the cells, and there is the solution. This is the first half cell, and this one is the second half cell. These cells are connected by a wire in which there is a bulb placed here. This is the zinc electrode, and here is the zinc sulfate solution of 1 molar, and here is the copper electrode, and this is the copper sulfate solution of 1 molar. As we are discussing here the standard conditions, that is why I have taken the 1 molar solution and at the room temperature. So now see, this one is the apparatus. Now see how the cell process. Now this also both the cells are connected by a bridge which is called salt bridge. And here is a very important role of the salt bridge. Now let's see how the cell process. Now as we see according to the electrochemical series, now so this one is the zinc electrode. As according to the electrochemical potential, zinc converts to zinc 2 positive have the electrochemical potential 0.76 volt, and copper 2 positive convert to copper have the potential minus 0.34 volt. So as the oxidation potential of the zinc 2 positive is higher, that is 0.76 volt, that is why the oxidation will take place here and reduction will be takes place here. In this cell, what happens that the zinc electrode, which is this electrode which is made up of zinc, will converts into, in the left hand side, so zinc electrode will converts to positive 2 electrons. This zinc electrode will convert into zinc 2 positive. The zinc 2 positive ions will come and takes place here, and by linking the 2 electrons, and that electrons will travel by this wire from to this second half cell. As electrons will move, the bulb will glow. In this second half cell, that is the right hand side half cell, the copper that here we have placed a solution of the copper sulfate. The copper plus 2 will gain the electrons that are accumulating on this electrode and started to deposit here as copper. Copper to positive from the solution, that is from the aqueous phase, will accept these two electrons and forms copper. Now, if we write the full equation of this cell, now these two electrons, and we will write the equation zinc plus copper 2 plus gives zinc 2 plus copper. Now, there is also the cell representation. Cell representation of the cell. Here we will write the oxidation, that is zinc is converting into zinc 2 plus. This one is the salt bridge. This is the copper to positive will be converted to copper. This is the oxidation. This one is the salt bridge. And this is the cell in which the reduction is taking place here. Now, this cell will be work only for some few minutes or a few time, and it stops. So now here plays a very important role of the salt bridge. Now the reason why the cell stops is because of the accumulation of the charges. And the most important function of the salt bridge is to prevent the accumulation of the charges. As the name suggests, it is a salt bridge. That means here are placed in this salt bridge. Here are placed the salt. Mainly here is the KCl, which plays a very important role here. As now let's see that how the charges are accumulating. As the zinc is converting into the zinc to positive, the positive charge is accumulating here. That means the positive charge is increasing here. And here, as the electrons are coming in the second half cell, the copper to positive from the solution will gain the 2 electrons and forming the copper, and rest of here is the sulfate ions. That means because of the sulfate ions increasing, the negative charges accumulating here. So here we have placed the salt bridge so that there will be no accumulation of the charges. So this here is the KCl. The KCl will break into as break down as K positive and the Cl negative. As KCl will break down as K positive and Cl negative. Now, as here the positive charge is increasing, the Cl negative will come here to neutralize this charge, and as the negative charge is increasing here, the positive charge, that means the K positive, will come here to neutralize this charge. If the charge will be neutralized, the cell will be work continuously. That means here the function of the salt bridge is to prevent accumulation of the charge. Next is the to maintain the electrical neutrality. third one is the movement of the ions. Now this one is all about the galvanic cell. In the next video we will talk about the electrolytic cell. Thank you.